One Day Eduroam Wi-Fi is available to all external event attendees. This option provides individual attendees with a temporary login that will expire at the end of each day. To confirm, it is one login per person per day. Login retrieval requires a device with internet access and a mobile phone. If you do not have a mobile phone, please check out our Ruskin Guest Wi-Fi video. Once online, open your web browser and search guestwifi.aru.ac.uk. This will take you to an Eduroam webpage. There you will find detailed instructions, a keyword, phone number, and valid on date. Going in stages, please text the indicator keyword with your mobile phone to the number provided. Within 10 minutes, you should receive a return SMS containing your unique Wi-Fi username and password. For ease, make note of the username and password. You will need to be on site to activate the login. Once your device is on, please select the Eduroam Wi-Fi network on your preferred device. Here you will need to input the username and password. Please note that this process may vary based on the device type, model, and make. Some may need to identify the One Day Eduroam Wi-Fi as a trusted network. Once confirmed, an attendee should have access within the next 5 to 10 minutes. If not, please contact our rapid response team for assistance.